There's a group of us on YouTube who study geography and the shape of the earth and whether it's round or flat or whatever it is, and whether it's a circuit board or a grid, and it turns out to be almost like a melted circuit board. Uh, a lot of the people that study this lost geography uh, have stumbled across this subject of mud flood, and they want to reference it back to the Great Flood. But the thing is, it's what caused the flood? At the bottom of these flooded buildings is solid vitrified melted rock and brick. And so if you're talking about mud flood and you're not talking about the melted buildings, then you're obviously gonna miss something here. You see the meltage, you see the some of it's brick on the left side and the other part of it's pulverized, and then they just build up to that point of where it's been destroyed and they put a facade over it. But that's not mud, that's melt. It's been melted. The mud doesn't change the uh it doesn't change the bricks if you put mud on the outside of them. And yep, the anagram for mud, if you switch the letters around, you get the word dumb. So are the mud flooders trying to dumb you down? They keep saying mud flood, mud flood. And really what they're saying is like dumb, dumb fooled. You're dumb and you're fooled. And they want to keep you dumb and fooled by mud flood. Is that what it is? Is that what the mud flares are trying to do? Keep you dumb and fooled? I think so. Everything's been melted. The the Xbox got melted. The circuit board was uh got overheated on a large macro scale, and we're living on the ruins of the dumb flood. I mean, the melted buildings, melted circuit board. It's not a mud flood. It's not a tumor. It's not a tumor. It's not a mud flood or a tumor.